How this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. I have some film protector for your iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max version. Cheaper budget version, in this case 3 or 4 together, only 3 or 4 euros or dollar. 3 pieces BP iPhone 16 Pro Max. Okay, so let me unpack this. This is done. Let me take this off. So here we go, some wiping paper. You can see 3, so 4 they sent me. You can see here, so 4, 1 extra for 3 film protector. Good thinking. And here one cushion, and after that the films. 1, 2, here we go, and 3. So let me take this off. As this beautiful film, they are better than gel, because gel over time they lose from here and there, looks ugly. I lay flat my phone in this case. Skin protector, I take this here, you can see. So size is, everything is fine. And I will take this off, this back glass here. And now you have to be careful and put exactly where you want. And you have to leave that for some second. It will take by itself. You can see that. How beautiful this one. Clean all the dust you have properly, so you will not have any problem. Wow, at the corner edge you see here, all is taken properly. So this is the way you can apply a skin protector or tempered glass to your iPhone 16 Pro Max. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.